How you sell it?
Uh, we have fried fish ready right now, $15.
Oh, $15?
Snapper.
Snapper. How you doing, brother?
Right, brother.
Yeah,
I
man.
want to ask you one small little thing.
Yeah. Nice playground. So this place right here it's called Everglow. You can come here and buy grilled food. It's a bar. Everglow. It's located along the Bordentown Road here in Bordentown. This is another place right here. It's called Jerk Stand. Now open. It's Everglow, but it's a jerk stand. You can buy jerk food right here, grilled food. You do fish here, man?
Fish? Yeah.
Oh, how you sell it?
We have fried fish ready right now, $15.
Oh, $15?
Snapper.
Snapper. Yeah, okay. Maybe next time, yeah. Alright, man, thanks. Okay. How you doing, brother? Alright, man. How you doing, brother?
Right, brother.
Yeah,
I
man.
want to ask you one small little thing.
Yeah.
I want to pay you $2.
Yeah, hold on.
Alright, yes sir.
Hold on, man.
Tell the real mood off.
Huh?
Anything I real mood busy.
Yeah, hold on.
Say 100, boy. Yes, one.
All right, man.
Alright, cool.
Take care, brother.
Yeah, brother. Respect.
Yeah, man. So, as I said, this is Everglow. It has a bar, jerk center, fish fry. There's a place here you can sit out too right here. Well, I'm gonna go home and cook my green banana. I got some fish in the refrigerator. I'm gonna just steam it down and cook me these green bananas, and I should be good for the day. How you doing, bro?
Yes, sir.
And please remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Here's a park right here. Nice playground.